Is light from your RV door window disturbing your sleep? This RV door window shade cover is the perfect solution. This shade features a 3-layer design. The outer reflective silver layer deflects sunlight and UV rays, the middle insulation blocks heat, and the inner black layer ensures privacy and darkness for a peaceful night. Pre-sewn with 7 Velcro strips, this shade is securely fastened to the window frame. Velcro is pre-sewn on the 4 corners, the top and the middle of both long sides of the cover. All you have to do is stick the matching Velcro to the window frame, no drilling needed. It's super easy to install and hassle-free. Measuring 16 by 25 inches, this shade fits most RV door windows perfectly, giving you the best coverage for privacy and sun protection. Plus, it's one less thing to worry about on your travels. Peel off the backing from the Velcro and press it onto the RV door window, making sure to press along the edges for a secure hold. Once installed, you'll see how great this shade is at blocking light and providing privacy. The shade also has a convenient flip-up design. Just fold the bottom up and stick it to the top when you want more light. Adjust the shade without removing it so you can enjoy the view while keeping your privacy. Check the comments for the link to grab yours today.